technology is a philosophy. It's a philosophy of behavior. It's a philosophy of many different things. And so this notion that the gatekeepers would keep technology away because for some reason, and they try, there haven't been as many, it's starting to happen more and more as new generations, they live in technology, so there's no question. So the point is that technology is big. It's a big thing. It's a philosophy. It's full of attitudes and thoughts and positions and implications that we haven't quite completely thought out. And so to use it in an expressionistic manner, in other words, an intuitive, felt kind of way, is inevitable. It's just inevitable. And so what I would think of about Techspressionism is I'd put it in the context of that inevitability.
I'll tell you the truth, I love the community of it. But what I like is that it is expressive, it is about expression, and it's about a visual language and the community. And I like learning from people, and I like seeing what young people are doing. The typical gallery circuit, if I said digital, that's very threatening to them. And well, it should be, because you know what? We're the next big thing, and I've thought so for years.
In early Techspressionism, which might be where you have a computer image with a lot of paint splatter, it's trying to put these two worlds together in some way that understands there's a conjunction and there's a collision that's happening. With Techspressionism, you don't have to have splattered paint, which was, we have all sorts of people that make purely digital stuff. And we would say that digital file has emotional content. There'll be a whole new world that can introduce total immateriality into the emotional space, into the culture space.
Digital art has suffered from often being lumped in with other things. It's one of the reasons that the regular art world was less than welcoming. So trying to have a group that's really focused on the artwork aspect of it, I think is important.